Hey guys, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you Dyno, we have a really nice motor here. This happens to be one of our 427 cubic inch small block Windsor motors. This is the big bore design with the dart block. Customer asked us to do quite a bit of modification to the induction system on this thing, and it absolutely came out sweet. Let me go a little bit of how we got this whole motor set up. We started out with the dart iron block. We did the Eagle 340 crankshaft, H-beam connecting rods, Mahle Ford's pistons. We got a beautiful set of AFR cylinder heads on here with ARP head bolts. We got a beautiful set of stainless steel roller rockers on here. And now here's where we get into the fun. Customer asked us to do the Holley high ram intake manifold because he plans to shoot about 200 shot of nitrous on it. So I sent the intake out to Induction Solutions, and they pre-plumbed the 200 shot of nitrous for the customer, which will be controlled by the EFI. I took it one step further and did the beautiful coilover setup to make this thing run absolutely perfect. Not sure if he's going to be using this for a street race vehicle or if he's going to be downright racing it completely, but it absolutely makes beautiful power and runs and looks amazing. If you guys are interested in having one of these combos or something similar to this designed for your ride, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over to Dyno.